In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew your Canadian passport online for the year 2025, step by step. First, let's start with the application form you'll need. Whether you're using the simplified or the full form, Canadians have the option to submit either in person, by mail, or do the whole process online, making it super convenient. If you're eligible, the quickest way would be utilizing the adult simplified renewal method. You can go this route if your previous passport was an adult one, issued when you were at least 16 years old, but within 15 years from your new application date, and was valid for either 5 or 10 years. It's essential that your name, date of birth, place of birth, and gender identifier remain the same on the new passport. But wait, what if you don't meet these criteria? Well, no worries, you'll need to fill out the general application form. This means providing proof such as your birth certificate or citizenship papers, and including your current passport or any travel documents you possess. Here's where the guarantor steps in. A guarantor, a friend or family member, who has known you for at least 2 years and agrees to lend their name and contact details will vouch for you. In the absence of one, you'll need to get a declaration in lieu of guarantor form, which can only be obtained from a passport office. Let's get into the forms. Available forms for 2025 include the simplified renewal forms tailored for Canadians living in different regions, like within Canada, the US, and elsewhere. You also have the option to fill out these forms online. Don't forget to provide your email address for application status updates. You'll need several things on hand: the issue and expiry date of your current passport, the passport number, 2 identical passport photos, and 2 references who must have known you for at least 2 years. Ensure you've set aside funds for the passport processing fee. Speaking of photos, they need to be professional. While living in Canada, a visit to Shoppers Drug Mart or Pharmaprix for those in Quebec can ensure your photos meet strict Canadian standards. Those abroad need to adhere to the Canadian specifications too, and I've left a link below for those standards if you're curious. Budgeting for your renewal is essential. A 5-year adult passport will set you back $120 CAD, while a 10-year one costs $160 CAD. Child passports limited to 5 years are priced at $57 CAD. Outside of Canada and in the US, adults will pay $260 for 10 years and $190 for 5. Losing a passport enacts an additional $45 CAD fee, and if you need it expedited, $50 to $110 CAD extra, depending on urgency. Finally, when it comes to payment, credit, debit, money orders, or certified checks are accepted, but cash and personal checks are a no-go. That wraps up our guide on how to renew a Canadian passport online in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.